Good morning, Judy Allen here, also known as Nana with Teach Me Nana. I'm having to jump on just a little bit early today because I'm traveling and I'm on the road. So I want to be sure to slide in here and show you the other alternative before I'm off and going again. So I'm going to go down the hands and show you how to make an easy peasy card with this kit. We're just going to add maybe one or two things to it, but that's about it. All right, so you're going to have to bear with me as I turn the camera around and we do this. All right, so let's do it. Let me find my camera turnaround if I can. Oh, there we go. And so we're going to put you right down here. You got the ceiling for the moment. So all I'm going to do today is add, see if I can get this over here for us, add a few little hearts. And so these are already, actually, see if I can get this steady for us. You know, when I'm not at home in my own area, you have to sort of work with what you got. So bear with me here. And I'm just going to move this over and get this down as close as I can and create balance and light all at the same time, right? Let's see if I got that for us. So, yes, I'm on earlier. I usually do noon. But today I have to do it just a little bit different, right? When you're on the road and so forth and all, you just work with what you can when you can, right? I think I got that for us and all. So I've taken this, so we got everything's from the kit. So this is actually one of the actual cards you can make. And all I've done is I've cut it into pieces. This is 5.5 here, and this is 4 inches. And because we're going to set these aside, but we're going to save them, right? We save all of our pieces for another time to create with it. So I'm taking another card base that's in the kit. This is in the kit. And I'm going to sit here and put this up on dimensionals just like this. Now, lots of times when I make cards, I have somebody already in mind I'm going to give them to. This one, I'm not really sure who I'm going to give it to. So that makes it a little bit more challenging because I'm not sure what sentiment I want to put on it. So here's the nice thing about what we're making today. We have choices. This could easily be a birthday card. It could be a Valentine's card if you wanted it to. And see what you see here. You can see what this is right here. So there we go. So you can see where I sat there and took the actual card and I sat there and cut it up. And then I'm just going to sit around and I'm going to take this off and put this on here. And I'll show you how I did the hearts too, because the hearts I actually used a hybrid embossing folder and all. The Stampin' Up has for my hearts. Okay, so I just put that on right there. See how they just, by using the two, how that really gives a nice lift. And I want to show you these hearts. Look at the detail in these hearts. It comes from a hybrid embossing folder. And what that means is I can actually emboss and cut them all out at the same time, which I did, which makes life a lot easier for this Nana. This Nana that is on the go. So all we're going to do with this is we're going to pop this on dimensionals. Now, I'm going to start, I don't know, I'm looking at my hearts here. I think this one, see how this one's got a lot of detail? I'm going to put it in the middle. So I'm going to start with it first and get it positioned first, and then I'll add the other two. Because for me, I like to get everything sort of about the same distance, and I don't get out a measuring tool or anything else. I just eyeball it, right? Because we're looking to make things nice and easy and to be able to ready to give somebody. So see, I'm just going to line these up. So I'm going to do the middle one first. So I want to be able to see all the flowers because I think all the flowers are just so pretty. It reminds me of springtime. It's not springtime, but I think it's about 69 days or so from spring, in case you were wanting to count and know. So see how I'm just sort of giving it where it's eyeballing it. And then I'll go do the same on the other side. And now all I'm going to do, so I don't know, we can put a sentiment on here. I'm not prepared, but I am going to put dimensionals. So it's a matter of we want the big dimensionals or the small ones. So since I took you off guard and went live early today, I can't get your opinion on this as to which one. I'm going to go with the larger one though. So this reminds me of aquamarine, right? You know what? Let's see if we like it there better. You know what? I think I might like it right there better. That way we can see the details of all the hearts. That one had a heart in the middle, so that's why I was sort of eyeballing that one. And see, and now all we just need is a sentiment. So since I really don't know, I'm not going to put a sentiment on right now. But you know what? If I come up with somebody I'm going to give this to a little bit later, I'll do it, and I'll post a picture of it for you with a sentiment on it. But that is just how easy and simple it is to create, share, and give for someone. So that's why I always tell you, you know what, there's no reason you can't go out there, create, share, and give. The kits make it so easy. It takes away your excuses. So go out there, create, share, and give, and make a difference in someone else's life. That's what it's all about, right? So be blessed. I look forward to seeing you next week with Teach Me Nana. Bye.